Tariffs are playing out in the farming industry. Here to catch us up on farmers and finances, Paul Schadegg. He's a Senior Vice President of Real Estate at Farmers National Company. Good to see you, Paul. What's the forecast for harvest season?
Well, I'll tell you, the report that just came out talking about the Western Corn Belt and the production that's anticipated out there has really driven that corn market down. So there's a lot of concern in the country about that right now. The wheat harvest is pretty well been finished up. Did talk to some guys out west that were just finishing up some irrigated wheat, and I know that some of the harvesters are progressing on up into the Dakotas and Montana and those areas, getting a lot of that spring wheat harvested.
What's driving that big production in corn?
Well, the report that came out, it's not really a problem with corn. It's the anticipated increase in production with the Western Corn Belt. I think what we've seen is over the past 20 years, probably the improved in genetics in dryland corn has really expanded the production in those drier areas out west.
Should we expect a bumper year for the corn harvest?
Yeah, that's what's anticipated. When they look at the crop condition report, the Midwest is pretty much clipping along like they normally would with good production and anticipated some pretty high yields. But when we go farther west, that's where the difference is being made right now with the anticipated production out there.
Are farmers feeling some of the pain of tariffs? What are you hearing?
I think that to a certain extent, everyone is feeling a little bit of the pain from tariffs right now until a lot of these negotiations get settled out. Nothing earth-shattering at this point, but I think that plays a little bit into the downturn in the commodity markets.
What's happening with farmland values?
Well, farmland values continue to maintain the levels that we've set over the past 5 years, and which is quite astonishing given the fact that the ag economy is struggling a little bit, and now we're seeing commodity markets even move down a little bit more.
Thank you for your farmland update.
You bet, anytime.